This is a short video trying to track down a interior leak in a 2006 Miata Sport or MX5 Sport. It's coming in behind the seats and then getting into the floor of the cabin. It's been a bear to diagnose, so I'm putting this out there hoping for some advice and help. Thanks. This shows where the water is sneaking in behind the plastic container that's supposed to catch the water. In this picture, you can see where the water is entering as it drains from the convertible top into the cabin, and it's hitting that little ledge there where there's a black clip. And as it does so, some of the water comes inside on the cabin as opposed to the outside. If it drains to the outside, it drains properly. Here is another picture of the water coming into the cabin as it drains from the top. It's hitting the top of that plastic, and then some of the water is dripping to the inside of the cabin. Here's a still photo of what I think is going on. There's the metal frame that holds the convertible top mechanism. There's a black plastic liner on the outside. I think water is getting in between those, and there must be a gap or a compromised plastic where the water sneaks behind the plastic and into the cabin. And in this still photo, I'm simply showing how the screwdriver can go through that the gap under that stud all the way back behind the plastic. And I think that's where the water is getting in. And just for fun, this is how it's all supposed to work without a leak. Water just flows into the can and then out the drain. So if you have any advice, please let me know. Or suggestions, or if there's something I'm overlooking. I'm trying to figure out if water should just not be coming into the cabin where it's draining from the top, if that's my problem, or if there is some sort of gap behind the framing holding up the convertible top that I need to get at and somehow seal. So struggling trying to figure this out, and I've been working at it for months, so I'm kind of at wit's end. Thanks for any help. I'm posting all of this on MiataNet in the forums under the NC convertible top section. So MiataNet in the forums. Thanks again.